Cosatu is demanding the suspension of Northwest Premier Supra Mahumapelo and a probe into alleged corruption in that province. Calls for his removal have intensified since members of health unions NEHAWU and DENOSA in the Northwest went on strike. They're demanding outstanding performance bonuses and say that they are subjected to poor working conditions.
Another alliance of the ANC has weighed in on the call for Premier Mahumapelo to be removed.
The Premier of the Northwest must be suspended, investigation must take place, and I think the national government cannot allow government of South Africa to be put into dispute by one person. Our call is that he must be put aside, investigation must be closed so that we are able to normalize the situation of South Africa. Corruption in the Northwest is rife.
Health workers are pleading for improved working conditions.
We've been raising these matters, no enough staff to work, no overtime payments, no resources, and many other things now of late, very painful maladministration and corruption. We've been raising these things. All these things amount at the end of the day to the exploitation of the workers.
Employees within the health sector are not given resources that they are entitled to. Remember that in terms of Labour Relations Act, employer is supposed to give employees the resources so that they can perform their duties. But in Northwest, it is not the case. They are not given those resources.
An inter-ministerial task team has already been appointed to investigate allegations of mismanagement. But for Cosatu, this is not enough.
We hope that they are not going to be biased to certain individuals. They are going to face the truth and do what is expected. But we think that the relevant people who must investigate this allegation of corruption is the law enforcement agency, in particular the Hawks.
The task team is expected to submit a report on its findings by next week. NEHAWU, SABC News, Mahikeng.